République démocratique du Congo connaît aujourd'hui sa plus longue période de stabilité et de croissance macroéconomique depuis son indépendance. Donc depuis 2001, nous sommes en croissance économique. Et ces 15 dernières années, nous avons connu une croissance économique qui est devenue une croissance extrêmement élevée et robuste. Nous sommes aujourd'hui, faute de recensement, nous estimons que nous sommes 80 millions d'habitants. Nous allons doubler de population tous les 25 ans. Les grandes villes sont en train de connaître une expansion extraordinaire. Kinshasa, près de 10 millions d'habitants, double tous les 15 ans. Donc c'est un énorme marché. Et l'investissement partenaire sud-africain dans le secteur du ciment est extrêmement utile, stratégique, parce que nous devons accompagner le développement de la République démocratique du Congo. Nous devons être à même de pouvoir offrir aux Congolaises et aux Congolais une vraie plateforme d'infrastructure et des vrais services.
There's a vibrancy about the people. You generally see people walking around with smiles on their faces. It's a tough life and there's real poverty. But despite that, people get on with it, and in the business sense, there's a lot of activity, a lot of optimism about the future.
We need to work in improving the image that Congo DRC is projecting. But you have a company who are not deterred by the reputation or by the perception that you have of this country, like PPC, who come and see that, of course, there are some challenges, but I think in every country there are challenges, and they are courageous enough to come and set their business here. So we are happy about that.
The PPC Barnet DRC project consists of building a new integrated cement factory.
It's a very good initiative because it will create jobs, it will create wealth, and you know that DRC is a poor country, so we have those challenge of trying to put young people to work.
Le secteur du ciment est un des secteurs clés parce que nous avons à reconstruire toute la République démocratique du Congo.
We are probably one of the biggest projects that's on the go, the construction of our factory. And anybody who visits our factory is really blown away by the scale and by the progress that we're making.
What we intend to achieve is to produce 1 million tons per year. We will achieve that, I believe, by 2018.
So far, the project has gone on very well. We are actually slightly ahead of schedule.
Yeah, we are successful because where we was before was just a forest, like that side. And today, if we look at today like that, it's very glad and we enjoy too much.
Construction-wise, everything is going according to plan. The civil works is due to be completed within the next few weeks, right on schedule. And mechanical work and the structural steel work has just started, but it's going smoothly.
We are on time and on budget.
Tomoni que société asali makambo moko ya bien parce que ba chômeur baza mingi, mais maintenant aiko implanter société awa na société wana batu mingi baza kubika toza kukotisa bana na klasi kuna baza kuzwa mwambongo na rentrée scolaire toza na ba difficulté mingi te.
PPC Barnet tokanisi bien tozosepela na compagnie wana parce que yango nde kudevelope mbuka oyo na bambuka mosusu donc tozosepela na compagnie.
You probably saw that there was brand new bridges built. PPC also did that. Now, taking consideration there's 550 vehicles passing on this road every day, and we fixed up the road, so I think we're touching their lives.
Congo is engaged in a big reconstruction project, countrywide. And we have a challenge because we have to import cement from overseas. So to have cement produced in our own country, it's good, and we hope that it will come cheaper for our population.
I think we've got a great product. We have done our homework in terms of what the opportunities are here, and we're really using all the resources that we have to make sure that we can make the most of the developments that are occurring here in the DRC.
Les marchés à Kinshasa, c'est très bien. Ça marche très bien, ça évolue très bien.
DRC, it's a A-class market. I think it's quite as good as Nigeria or as good as Ivory Coast, or Mozambique. It's an A-class country, and the middle class segment of this country has improved a lot, and that is one of the reasons, where you have this development taking place.
The demand of cement is increasingly high for the moment. PPC have an opportunity to develop and pick up this market in the center, in the west, and in the north of this country. There's a room for PPC, and the reason why we are keen to support their activity.
Le ciment PPC, c'est très bien. Les gens préfèrent toujours ça. Ils ne veulent pas construire avec d'autres ciments, c'est mal le ciment PPC. Parce que c'est un bon ciment, très bien.
À l'image de PPC, je dirais que le Congo aujourd'hui, c'est un nouveau Congo. Il faut du dynamisme, il faut de l'audace. Il faut pouvoir accompagner le Congo dans sa profonde transformation structurelle. Nous attendons avec PPC, avec les autres partenaires, un accompagnement du secteur privé, sachant que le moteur de la croissance et le moteur de l'emploi, c'est le secteur privé.
The cement business is a long-term business. We didn't come here to be in and out. We came here to stay, to make a difference, to be recognized as the leading company making a contribution to development in Central Africa.
This is our objectives, and we are going to achieve that because we have a fantastic team who is working tirelessly to make things happen.